Hi everyone, today I'm trying the Italian linguine Trader Joe's pasta with the new sauce, Cajun style Alfredo sauce. It's a spicy and creamy Alfredo sauce bursting with Cajun style flavors. And this is how it looks on the back. There's the nutrition facts and the ingredients. It looks like it's going to be very flavorful. And I'm also going to try this other sauce they came out with called Peri-Peri sauce with fermented and dried chilies. It says it's a condiment with rich, complex heat. So this is not going to be all over the pasta, but I'm just going to dip a few noodles in here just so I can see how it tastes. And then this can go on all kinds of things like chicken nuggets, crunchy foods, as a little dipping sauce. And there's the nutrition facts, and this is what's inside. Now I'm going to prepare the pasta. Here comes the pasta. Here's our lips. Ready? So it's time to do the taste test. Let's see how this tastes. It smells pretty good. This sauce tastes creamy, not spicy. Okay everybody, so I think that this sauce tastes actually kind of plain. I was thinking it was going to be really spicy, but it's like almost like a plain Alfredo sauce with a dash of cayenne pepper. That's how it tastes. So now let's try the peri-peri sauce. This smells like a hot wing sauce. So let's try the peri-peri sauce. It smells like buffalo sauce. Peri-peri sauce is much better and way more spicier. I liked it a lot. So out of the two sauces, I like the peri-peri sauce better for the spice, and the Cajun one is not so bad, but it's just not that spicy. It's a little plain. If you like this taste test, please check out our other taste tests on our taste test playlist. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.